How to see your drafts on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to see your drafts on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. So if not, then please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and then make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. So now, once you have done updating your TikTok, and you may now open it. And then, once you're in TikTok, click on your profile found on the lower right corner, and then you may be able to see the drafts on the very first of your feed or your posted videos. So click on your drafts and choose the draft that you want. You may also see the date of the drafts right here. So this is on June 18, 2022, and then choose the draft that you want. You may also click on select found on the upper right corner, and then click on delete found on the bottom most part if you want to delete a draft. And then again, just a recap, you need to update your TikTok app since the TikTok might have added other options or might have changed the location of the jabs. So go ahead again on TikTok, go to your profile found on the lower right corner, and then you may be able to see your drafts and the very first part of your feed or your uploaded videos. So that's it. That's how you can see your drafts on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.